Hello everyone. So today in beginner series we will learn how to create MDI forms. MDI stands for multiple document interface. We create MDI to maintain multiple forms within a single container form. You see the applications like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. These have multiple document interface. So today we will design one MDI based application. So this is our the VB environment where I have one form on it. What I will do is I will add two more forms in this project. So I go to project and I will add forms. So now I have form 2. Similarly, I will add one more form and click on add. So now I have three forms, form 1, form 2 and form 3. Now in form 1 what I want, I will design one menu here which have menu items form 2 and form 3 such that when I click on form 2 will open. When I click on form 3, the form 3 will open. So for this, first we design one menu here, and for that I need a menu strip. So in the toolbox I search for the menu strip. This is a menu strip control here. So we'll find this on our component tray, and here we find some visual area that is used for designing our menu. So I want to give first menu file, and the items are open form 2. Similarly, the other item is open form 3. So we have this file menu. In this we have form 2, we have form 3. So what I want, when I click on form 2, the form 2 should open. So on this click event I will write here form 2 dot show. Show function is used to display the form. Similarly, on form 3 I will write the same thing, form 3 dot show. So if we run this application, this is the output. So I go to file menu. When I click on form 2, this is the form 2 open here. When I go to form 3, this form 3 is open here. Now here you can see that these forms are here independent. When I move form 1, these forms are not affected. So what I want is, I want that this form 1 should act as a container for these two forms, or you can say that I want to make this form 1 as a parent of form 2 and form 3, and so that I can also simultaneously work on the multiple forms. Let us see how we can do it. So I close the application. So what I do is I go to my form 1 and I want to make as a parent form for this form 2 and form 3. So we'll go to the form property here and we will search the property is MDI container. So by default it is set to false. So when I set to true, it looks like this, and now this is actually a MDI container property I set true. This means now this form can be acted as a parent form. Now to set the form 2 and form 3 as a child of form 1, what I do is, now here if you see, In the form 2 click, I have written here form2.show. So now what I do is, before displaying the form, I will write form2 dot MDI parent equals to me. In this calling form is declaring as a parent for form 2, or you can say that form 1 will become the parent of form 2. Now if we run the application, you will see the effect. This is our form 1. This is file. Now when I click on form 3, form 3 will open like this, and when I click on form 2, the form 2 is opening in this container only. And also when you move the form 1, the form 2 is also moving along with it, but form 3 is independent. There is no relationship between form 2 and form 3. Now similarly, if we go and do the same thing with form 3, and we'll see the effect. So we'll go here in form 3, we'll write the same statement, form 3 dot MDI parent equals to me. So now if you run this application, you will see that form 2 and form 3 will be the child for this form 1. Form 2, this is form 2, this is form 3. So you can see that now these form 2 and form 3 are acting as a child of form 1, and if you move this form, they are also moving along with this, and they always open within this defined area. So this is the very basics of MDI. In the next lecture, you will see more about MDI. Thank you.